Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this Luminary rod skin for free in Fish game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the rod skin looks like. I'm going to show you. I've already equipped this rod skin, and if you want to get this rod skin guys, you just need to redeem a code. So there is a new code from this latest update. Wait, let me go to the redeem menu. Okay, we can go to the store and I'm going to show you the code that you can redeem. It's 1M_goal, like this, and you can redeem it. I hope it's still available guys. I've already used this code and I got this Luminary rod skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can get Luminary rod skin for free in Fish game of Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.